very hard IUPAC names in the organic chemistry functional group. First hard IUPAC name is the ester functional group. Ester functional group. Ester functional group. IUPAC names are hard. Then we become easy. How to become easy? Made it easy means first trick 1. Trick 1. IUPAC numbering. IUPAC numbering means first you write the complete structure. Write complete structure. Complete structure. For example, CH3 COO C2H5 is there, ester. This is not complete structure. Now complete structure is this: CH3 C double bond O C2H5 means what complete structure? CH2 CH3. This is the complete structure. Here trick 1 is the IUPAC numbering, means one number gives to carbonyl carbon means what? C double bond O carbon. This carbon in ester functional group. In which functional group? In ester functional group. This is the trick. You remember. This is the trick. What is the trick? IUPAC numbering. One number gives to carbonyl carbon, C double bond O carbon in ester. In this one, which carbon is carbonyl carbon? This is the carbonyl carbon. One number. IUPAC numbering. 1. You know, this side oxygen. 2 number don't give oxygen. So this side there is no numbering. This side no way, because next atom is oxygen. This side only. This carbon come to this carbon. So 2 number. So IUPAC numbering is finished, completed. 1, 2 only. These carbons are not in parent chain, not in numbering. So this is separate name. It is as a prefix. So what is this name? This group name is ethyl group. Ethyl group is the prefix. Which prefix? Secondary prefix. So in one video, prefix, suffix, meaning and arrangement also we discuss. But here this group name is ethyl. So what is this ester name? First you write down the ethyl. I write ethyl. Prefix is over. Next, root word. 2 carbons root word, we know that ETH. ETH is the root word. RW means root word. Next, primary suffix AN. This is the one. Primary suffix. And the secondary suffix is OATE. O8. This is the secondary suffix. So what is complete name? Ethyl ethanoate. You write in closer name, full name. If you want this compound full name, here I wrote Simply ethyl ethanoate. This is the reason why ester functional groups are very hard. IUPAC names are very hard. Why IUPAC names of ester functional group very hard? Because first identification of parent chain only hard. Here, which is one number IUPAC numbering, write complete structure for this. Before going to IUPAC numbering, you write complete structure. So here I write the complete. This is normal formula given in the question paper. This is the complete structure. CH3, C, this C, OO means double bond OO, C2H5 means ethyl group. 2 carbons, 5 hydrogens. Then one number is the main important trick. But which is one number? One number gives to carbonyl carbon, C double bond O carbon 1. This side no numbering continuation, because carbon next oxygen only, the chain breakup, carbon chain breakup here. So don't go to this side. This side carbon is there, so 2. In another example, one more example. HCOO C2H5. It is very hard. For any compound you write on complete structure. This hydrogen as it is, this carbon as it is, this carbon is this. 2 oxygens only important. 1 oxygen with double bond O, this oxygen with double bond O, this oxygen with single bond O. The C2H5 just now given, CH2, CH3. So this is the identification, ester functional group identified. In ester functional group, immediately you must and should know that C double bond O carbon is the one number in IUPAC. This is the main point, star mark. So here 1, 2 carbon, longest chain is not parent chain. In ester functional group, C double bond O. This is only one number. This side oxygen, this side hydrogen. So numbering stop. Numbering is over. So in parent chain only 1 carbon is there. Don't go to 2, 3 for this. This is wrong. Why wrong? Because carbon next in the middle, oxygen is there. It is not continuous chain. Oxygen is there. So this is 2, 3 now. Only one number. And in this case, this alkyl group is the secondary prefix. This is written with green color. What is this name? Ethyl. This group name. So this is the secondary prefix. So what is this name? Ethyl. With the secondary prefix completed. Next 1 carbon root word neet. This is the root word for 1 carbon. Next primary suffix an. Primary suffix. Here E not used, because in its secondary suffix. What is the secondary suffix? O8. This is the secondary suffix. This is also vowel, and it is also vowel. According to English grammar, 2 vowels if adjacent, then generally we remove this A. So what is this complete name? Ethyl, this ethyl, neet, an primary suffix, O8, remove the E, just remove the E. So O8, just add O8. So this is ethyl methanoate is the perfect IUPAC name. IUPAC name.